Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by capturing a clean reference. Pick a keyboard with the sound you want and label its switch type so you know why it behaves. Then, position a condenser or dynamic mic 1030 cm from the keyboard and angle it toward the keycap. This captures click and resonance. Once done, set your interface to 48K Hz and 24-bit, reduce input gain to avoid clipping, and record 5-10 keystrokes as test audio so you can judge tone and noise floor. You now build the character. Use a second room mic if you want natural ambience, then check phase between tracks to avoid cancellation. Next, sculpt with EQ. Remove 200-500 Hz muddiness to free up clarity, then emphasize 38K Hz for key click and 1014K Hz for high-end shimmer. Once balanced, apply gentle compression with a fast attack and medium release at 2.14. 1 so peak sit steady. This preserves transient detail while making the sound usable in. You finish by balancing and exporting. Set clip gain or normalize so RMS sits where your project needs it, and avoid heavy limiting that kills dynamics. Then export 3 files, dry, processed, and loop ready, in WAV 48K Hz 24-bit plus an MP3 for quick demos. If you encounter persistent noise, try spectral denoising, re-record with improved isolation, or move the mic by 5-10 cm. That small change often fixes phase and resonance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.